Spend the day with me as a trader and shopping haul edition.
Hello guys! Saan tayo? We're in High Street, BGC. Anong oras na? 12:30, lunchtime. Lunchtime, pero ang gagawin natin? Shopping! Okay. Check mo ba dyan? Check. Casual. Ano? Hindi na sale? Naka-sale! Ano? Ito rin na naka-sale.
This one I like. I'm gonna buy it.
Okay, so kakauwi ko lang. So for today, let's unbox and make a haul about what I bought. Kasi, should be today. Para sila dumating. This one. So it's a razorback. Ganyan siya. Ang ganda to. Ang ganda top nito. Pero ang revealing niya, hindi ko kaya. Oh my gosh. Ganyan lang to. Ay! Ganyan lang dapat. Pero dahil, naka-open siya. Okay. So kahapon, talo ko sa trade ko. Oh my god, I'm so sad. Pero today is another day. Today is another opportunity. Kaya natin pumasok ng entry. I mean, kaya natin mag ng entry. Okay na entry. Okay, so 7:10 pa lang. Papahinga muna ako, mabalik. And then, siguro shower, kakain ng dinner. And then, pabalik ng dinner, check natin yung market. Kung anong pwede pasukan. And kung pwede pasukan. So, yun. Kasi talo ako kahapon. Panalo ako ng isang araw. Pero yesterday, supposed to ka siya. Pero nasa ko ako parang, ano ba yun? Okay, naka-short ako. Pero minove ko. Parang, nakita ko na Dolce Candle na green. Eh, hindi naman yung kasama sa strategy ko. Like, hindi ko naman dapat pinakakalman yun. So, ang ginawa ko, pinlose ko yung position ko. Then, nagbay ako. Then, go, gusto tulog. Tumulo yung pandika. Talaga naman. So, sabi ko, oh my gosh, bakit ganito? Bakit ako nagpapadala sa mga agad? Hindi naman yung strategy ko eh. So, yun. Hanap na yung entry later. I'll get back.
Okay, so voiceover na to. So after dinner, I did my top tone analysis. And then ang bias ko for today is bearish. So nagmark na ako ng supply and demand zones. And when I saw the price tapped my supply zone, doon ako nag-short entry. So as you can see there, nag-trailing stop loss ako. And alam ko mali siya, and naging mali talaga siya. Kasi I could have gained more profit kung hindi lang ako nag-trail stop loss. Pero in my defense, may nakita kasi ako hidden zone dyan, yung dalawang red candle sa left side. So, I was worried na baka mag-reverse na yung price dun sa zone na yun. And yun ako mag-start mag-trail ng SL ko, which resulted into less profit. Kasi kung pinabayaan ko lang yung setup ko, mas malaki sana yung kikitain ko. But that's okay, profit is profit. At the end of the day, it's night. Good night. That's all for today. See you on my next vlog. Bye!